Okay. Hi, good morning. Today, this video is all about clearing a doubt. One of my followers asked me a question. So I already pasted this question here. So I'm going to solve this question. So this question is related with coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, this exactly falls in the category of straight lines. Okay, so first of all, we will read this question. So what is our question? Find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line y is equal to 5x and passing through the point 2 minus 1. Okay, so first of all, we will draw the figure or draw the line with this required data, and we will consider or we will solve the question accordingly. Okay, so this is our x and y axis. Okay, since this line is only having this thing mx part, so c is 0, so that means this line is exactly passing through origin. So the equation for this line is y is equal to 5x. Y is equal to 5x. Okay, so this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, right? And what is our question then? Find the equation of the line perpendicular, right? Perpendicular. So I will draw a perpendicular line, okay, to this. Okay, so this is our perpendicular line, and this is passing through 2 minus 1, and this line is passing through 2 minus 1. Okay, so you should know one fact, so that I will write this note here. If two lines are perpendicular, with gradients m1 and m2, gradient or another name is slope. Okay, another name is slope or gradient. Then we can say that there is a property for perpendicular lines. The product of their gradients will give minus 1. Okay, so this is an important property we are going to use for solving this question. Then consider this figure. So what is the gradient of this line? Any line is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so if you are considering this equation here, y is equal to 5x plus, we can say it is 0, right? So we know that c is equal to 0 and m is equal to 5, right? Okay, what is m? M is known as gradient. M is known as the gradient of the line. Okay, so for the time being, I will call this line as L1 and this line as L2. So now we can use the property. So what will be the gradient of this line L2? So we can call the gradient of this line L2 as M2. Okay, and this gradient of this line L1 as M1. So we can say M1 multiplied by M2 will give a product of minus 1. Okay, but we know the value of m1. Exactly, we know the value of m1. So what is the value of m1? M1 is exactly 5. So 5 times m2 is minus 1, or m2 is equal to minus 1 over 5. So m2 is equal to minus 1 over 5. Then you can employ the equation for this line. So what is our question? Find the equation of the line perpendicular, okay, and passing through the point 2 minus 1. Okay, so what will be the answer? So what will be the equation for the line L2? So equation for the line L2, we can generally write y is equal to m2 x plus c2, right? Okay, now y is equal to, what is the value of m2? You can substitute this value, 1 by 5x plus c2. And now unfortunately we don't know the value of c2. So how to find the value of c2? How to find the value of c2? So there is a clue given in this question. This line is passing through 2 minus 1, right? So okay, so I'll write the equation we got. So what was the equation for the line L2 we got? The equation for the line L2 we got minus 1 over 5x plus c2. And this line is exactly passing through, the question, it is passing through 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1. Okay, so it is passing through 2 minus 1. You can use these coordinates to find the value of C2 by plugging these values or inputting these values. Okay, so this is our x coordinate and this is y coordinate, right? So minus 1. So instead of y, you can substitute minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1 over 5 into 2 plus C2, right? So minus 1 is equal to minus 2 over 5 plus C2. You can bring this minus 2 to this side. It becomes minus 1 plus 2 over 5 is equal to Z2. So if you're taking the LCM, so what will be the, you can use a calculator. Okay, you can, or you can use a mental calculation to find what is minus 1 plus 2 by 5. Can you please calculate? Minus 1 plus 2 by 5 is going to be minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 is the value of C2. Okay, then we will complete the equation. Y is equal to minus 1 by 5 or 1 over 5x minus 3 by 5. Okay, by inputting or plugging all these values. So this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so that's going to be the answer. If you are modifying by completely multiplying this equation with 5, it becomes 5y is equal to minus x minus 3, or we can say 5y plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. 5y plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Does it make sense? Okay, so that's the answer for this question. So what is the equation? 5y. Okay, so we can check this answer. Okay, so how can you check? Okay, so if you are plugging this value in this equation, we should get 0. So is it correct? Let's check it. 5 into minus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So minus 5 plus 5, we are getting 0. So our answer is correct. So 5y. So equation for this question, answer for this question is 5y plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, so that's all for this day, this video. Okay, thanks for watching this.